Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the question based on permutation and combination in probability and statistics 1 for year 12 and year 13 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Permutation and combination. We are looking for the past paper question. Find the number of different arrangements of the 9 letters in the word happiness. We need to arrange the 9 letters. So we make 9 crosses first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 crosses. As we can see that we have 2 P's and 2 S. If I have to make the 9 arrangements in a row, it will be factorial 9 ways. To arrange this place, we have 9 options. So this place can be arranged in 9 ways. So one letter will be gone. This place can be filled with 8 ways. If you move on like that, that means all the 9 letters will be arranged in a row while taking 9 cross 8 cross 7 cross 6 cross 5 cross 4 cross 3 cross 2 cross 1, which will be written as factorial 9 ways. Because there is a repetition here, so the number of arrangements are given as factorial 9 over factorial 2 multiplied by factorial 2, because there are 2 P's and 2 S. If you calculate this answer in the calculator, your answer will be 90720. This will be your answer. Let's see the next part here. Find the number of different arrangements of the 9 letters in the word happiness in which the first and the last letter are not the same as each other. So we will do this question by taking the same letters and subtract it from the total. We have 2 letters which are same, SS and PP. Let's take it separately first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 places. First place has P and the last place has P. Next, we will take the arrangement as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here S and here S. P's are fixed at the end. I need to fill 7 letters. In those 7 letters, there are 2 S. There is a repetition. So, 7 letters can be arranged in a row by factorial 7 ways. But because there is a repetition of 1 letter, so this will be divided by factorial 2. If you calculate this, this answer will be written as 2520. Same way, S are fixed. I need to arrange 7 letters in a row, which will be done in factorial 7 ways. But there is a repetition of P's, so that will be divided by factorial 2 and your answer will be 2520. The total number of arrangements we had were 90720. We need to add that and subtract it from 90720. Let's write down here number of arrangements is given as 90720 minus of 2 times of 2520. If you calculate this, your answer will be equal to 85680. That will be your answer. Let's see the third part here. Find the number of different arrangements of the 9 letters in the word happiness in which the 2 P's are together and there are exactly 2 letters between 2 S. Let's write down in a row first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to make the 2 P's together as well as at the same time there should be 2 letters between 2 S. Let's suppose that S is at first place. Then there is a gap of 2 and again there is a S here. I have to keep the 2 P's together. So I will take 2 conditions first. This is my first condition where I will take the 2 P's together in between 2S. That means I will write down P here. That means this position is fixed right now. So we will consider this as one box here. I am not changing this anywhere here. So this is fixed. I need to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in a row, which can be done in factorial 6 ways, which will be equal to 720 ways. Second method, I have to take P's outside S. Let's write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. There is S here and 2 P's are outside S. Let's write down here 2 P's here. But P can take any position. Let's write down all the permutation and combination where the P can take the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This S and S is fixed here. P will take the position here. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S and S is here. P and P will take the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S, P will take the position here and here. As you can see that P can take the 4 positions here. S is fixed here. Now I need to fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Same here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. And same here and here also. That means I need to fill 5 places with 5 letters in factorial 5 ways. Let's write down here factorial 5 ways. But this will be multiplied by 4 as P is taking 4 positions. If you multiply that, or that answer will be equal to 480. Let's see the next position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is going to take the position here. There is a gap of 2 and S is going to take the position here. I need to fix the position of P. P is not going to take the place here because there is only one place, so I cannot fit 2 P's here. P is going to take the place here. Next position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is fixed here. P is going to take the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is fixed. P is going to take the position here. As you can see that P is going to take the 3 positions and I need to fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters that will be arranged in factorial 5 ways multiplied by 3 as P is going to take. If you multiply that, your answer will be equal to 360. Let's see the next position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is going to take the 3rd position. There is a gap of 2 and it will come here. I need to take the places for P here. P is going to take the place here. This is the first position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is here. S is here. P is going to take the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is fixed here. P is going to take the position here. As you can see that there are 3 places where the P can take the position and there are 5 entry places which can be filled with 5 letters. That will be done in factorial 5 times 3, which is equals to 360 ways. Let's see the next positions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is going to take the position at the 4th place. S will be here. Now let's put the P here. P is going to take the place here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, S is fixed here. P is going to take the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is fixed. P is going to take the position here. There is no other place where P can be placed. This also can be done with factorial 5 times 3 ways, which is equals to 360. Let's see the next position of S first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is going to take the 5th place here. S should be here. There is a gap of 2 and S will be here. Let's place the P first. P can take the position here at the first place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. P can take the positions here and S will be fixed at the 5th place. S is here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is here and here. P is going to take the position here and here. I cannot place the P here because there is only one place here. This arrangement can also be done in factorial 5 times 3 ways, which will be 360 ways. Let's take the different position of S now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is here. There is a gap of 2 and S is here. I need to place the P's here first. P will take the position here. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is fixed here. P is going to take the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is fixed. P is going to take the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S is fixed here, P is going to take the position here. As you can see that P is going to take the 4 positions and the rest all 5 letters can be filled in factorial 5 ways. So the arrangements will be given as factorial 5 times 4, which will be equal to 480. I need to add all of them as I am doing it separately here. Number of arrangements is given as, first was factorial 6, which was 720. Next I have 360. How many times I have done 360? Let's count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it's 360 multiplied by 4 plus 480, and this is appearing 2 times. If you want to calculate that, your answer will be equal to 3120. There will be 3120 number of arrangements for this question. Let's see the next part here. The 9 letters in the word happiness are divided at random into a group of 5 and a group of 4. Find the probability that both P's are in one group and both S are in the other group. Let's take the groups first, because this is and here. That means I have to take it together first. Let's write down here group of 5. Divide this and write down as group of 4. If I have to take the group of 5, that means there are 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. I am taking a group of 4. There are 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to take the P's in one group. Let's suppose that the P's are here in one group of 5 and S are there in the group of 4. Next, we have to suppose that S are in the group of 5 and P's are in the group of 4. As the 4 letters are not there, because in the group of 5 there are 2 P's and in the group of 4 there are 2 S. The remaining letters are 5 letters, because there is a 9 letters and 4 letters are already used, so 5 letters are left. Out of 5 letters, I need to pick 3 letters here. This will be done in 5C3 ways. In the group of 4, I have 2 places. I have already used 3 letters in the group of 5. The remaining letters are 2. After 2, I have to fill them in 2 places. This can be done in 2C2 ways. Because I am doing it together, I need to multiply the answer. This will be written as 5C3 times 2C2. If you multiply that, that answer will be equal to 10 here. Next, 2S are in the group of 5. I need to fill 3 places. 5 letters are left. This will be done in 5C3 ways. 2 letters are left, which are filled in the group of 4 in 2C2 ways. I am doing it together, so I need to multiply that answer. That will be equal to 5C3 times 2C2, which will be equal to 10. Total, there are 20 number of arrangements here. I need to see the total number of arrangements here first. So the total is given as I am making a group of 5 and a group of 4. We have 9 letters. Total will be given as 9C5 times 4C4, because as 4 letters are left and I have to pick 4 letters. If you calculate that, your answer will be equal to 126. I need to write down the probability here. So the probability is given as favorable number of outcomes are 20 divided by total number of outcomes are 126. If you simplify that, your answer will be equal to 10 over 63. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.